Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. As like before, today also we brought something special for you and your kids. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet toys. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crochet toys for your babies. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet toys also as handmade crocheted plush toys that are typically made using yarn and a crochet hook. These toys are popular for their cuteness and unique designs are often made in the shape of animals, characters or other fun, imaginative figures. Here are some aspects of crochet toys. The first and the main one is soft and safe. Crochet toys are usually soft, making them perfect for children. The use of yarn and stuffing creates a cuddly texture, while the absence of sharp edges ensures safety. Customizable. They can be made in various colors, size, and design, allowing for personalized creation. You can craft toys based on specific theme such as animals, fantasy, creators, or characters from favorite show. Skill level. Crochet can range from simple to complex designs. Beginner might start with small basic shapes like simple balls or animals, while advanced crocheters can create intricate detailed toys with accessories and multiple parts. Eco-friendly. Many crochet toys are made from natural eco-friendly materials like organic cotton yarn, making them an environmentally handmade craft. As a die craft, crocheting toys allow for creativity and artistic expression, and many crafters enjoy the process of making these toys by hand. Popular theme. Common crochet toys include teddy bear, dolls, bunnies, dinosaurs, and even custom designs. Items like food items or fantasy creators. Crochet toys are beloved for their charm, craftsmanship, and the joy they bring to both creators and receptions. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye.